Okay, so in this example we have to write down the degree and leading coefficient of each of the following polynomials. So we'll take the first one, A, and that polynomial is 7 minus 2x plus 5x squared. Okay, now the degree is the greatest power that appears in this question, and in this case it should be evident that the greatest power here is 2. Okay, so that means the degree equals 2. And the leading coefficient is the coefficient that belongs to the term with the degree. So you look for the degree first, the highest term, that's going to be, or the highest exponent, that's going to be 2. The leading coefficient is simply the number attached to that. So that's the leading coefficient, is 5. Okay, so it's, in most cases it's pretty straightforward. Okay, look for the term with the highest power first. In this case that's this term, and there's a degree of 2. The leading coefficient is the numeric part of that term. Okay, so if we now move on to the second part, this time it's a little bit less straightforward. It's 3x to the power of 5 minus 8y to the power of 7 plus 2/5 of x to the 6y cubed. So what's different about this one is that this one single term, okay, and you know it's a single term because it's not broken up by pluses or minuses, so this is a single term. It's made up of 2 variables. Now to work out the degree of this particular term, you add the individual powers together. So here in this case, you add these 2 powers together to give you the degree of that term, which is 9. Okay, 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the degree is 9. Okay, now 9 is greater than either 7 or 5 on the first 2 terms. So the degree actually of the whole expression is 9. And the leading coefficient is again the number that's attached to that, which in this case is 2/5. So the leading coefficient I've misspelled coefficient again, is 2/5. So it's not really very difficult at all. You look for the highest term, the highest power, look for the highest power, that's the degree. The number that goes in front of that term, that's the leading coefficient. When you have more than one variable in a single term, you add the individual powers together. So in this case 6 and 3 is 9. That's greater than any of the other powers in the problem. So the degree is going to be 9 with the leading coefficient 2/5. Okay, so hopefully that makes it pretty simple for you. Thanks for watching.